Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. Today's video reviews Focus Friend, the productivity app created by Hank Green, and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer, this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Focus Friend is a focus and accountability app designed to help users stay productive through virtual companionship. Instead of timers or complex project trackers, the app creates a supportive environment where a friendly AI buddy checks in on you, helps structure work sessions, and reminds you to take breaks. It's built on the idea that productivity improves when we feel like someone is working alongside us, even virtually. Many users appreciate the app's simplicity. Focus Friend provides short, structured work sessions with gentle nudges to keep you on track, similar to the Pomodoro technique. The playful personality of the AI companion makes focusing less stressful, especially for people who struggle with procrastination or loneliness while working. Unlike traditional productivity tools, the app emphasizes encouragement over rigid discipline. Another strength is accessibility. You don't need advanced knowledge to use it. Simply open the app, start a session, and let your focus buddy guide you. For many, the gamified experience and conversational tone make work sessions feel lighter, especially compared to traditional timers or cold productivity apps. That said, there are some limitations. Focus Friend is intentionally minimal, so it may not satisfy users who want detailed task management, analytics, or integration with other productivity platforms. The AI companion is charming, but not customizable beyond basic settings, which could feel repetitive over time. And while the concept is refreshing, some users note that it may not be effective for people who require strict accountability or advanced project tracking. In summary, Focus Friend is worth trying if you're looking for a lighthearted, supportive approach to focus and productivity. It's best for students, freelancers, or remote workers who benefit from gentle reminders and companionship during work sessions. However, if you need advanced features or professional-grade productivity tracking, it may not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.